again. It's a redskin.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making Dunkin Donuts blueberry matcha latte. Y'all know I had to come with it, so I'm here with it. So if you're interested in seeing how I make this, stay tuned to watch. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get into this video. Y'all, first thing we're going to do is take 1/4 of water and pour it into our glass, and then we are going to heat that up and go on to the next step. So they told me you got the terry cloth cut. They told me to let it, put it in a Ziploc bag, let it get frozen. Let her chew on it once it gets frozen. She said because it make tiny little microscopic cuts that allow the tooth to break out. Let's give this a try. I promise y'all, even though I haven't tasted it yet, I promise y'all it's going to be fire. Better than theirs without the black jelly bean taste. So let's give it a try. I did it, y'all. I did it, and it is fire. Oh my god. Oh my god, guys, this is fire. Y'all just don't know. I went around looking for like blueberry flavoring. I did not find any anywhere, so I came up with the idea, what about the blueberry pie filling? You know, it's got to be eaten anyway, so you can consume it through a drink as well. It shouldn't do you no harm. So that right there, thumbs up, y'all. This is fire. If you don't want it too sweet, just do it with the blueberry pie filling. But if you want a little bit of sweetness, you want to make it a little bit more sweeter, add in you some sugar. Add in as much ice as you want to make it as slush as you want. But other than that, All you need is the same ingredients that I use in my other video, which I will pop up somewhere. Your almond milk, some water, and your matcha. Yes, your matcha. You can get it from Walmart. I haven't really seen it anywhere else, but Walmart is your plug for that. But yeah, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye.